Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another Clash Royale video. Thank you so much for joining in, and today we are going to be discussing something that's going to come out in December. It's going to be pretty cool, but before that, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now. Probably all the updates regarding the Clash Royale game, also some really cool gameplays as well. And make sure you click on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And let's get into the video. So of course, we know at least that we are gonna get a new card by now, so it is pretty official. Because if you did go through the December blog post from Supercell itself in the Clash Royale website, you can actually see below the star level section there's a new section called the new card, and in there it's written look out for a new card ramming its way into the arena soon. So we definitely know there's a new card coming into Clash Royale. Now this was pretty much obvious because they went into their YouTube account as well. With their recent video, they did post that stay tuned for a latest announcement about the new card, which is really awesome. So we are quite sure that with this week we are gonna get a new card in Clash Royale, which is really awesome. Of course, we did have the December update up early, but they are putting in another new card, which is really awesome. We never say no for such things like that. So if you want the leaked information, here it is. Now this is from a developer build. Now a developer build is iPad which has the features before the update goes out global. So any new features that's going to come into Clash Royale is going to go into the developer build first, and then YouTubers and some privileged people can actually see and kind of go through all the cards and whatever new stuff is coming into the developer build and be amused. And then once they're ready and fixed with that card or whatever new item is going to come in Clash Royale, they are going to put it out global. So whatever thing it is going to come into Clash Royale, it has to first go through in the developer build. So that is the developer build. And if you didn't watch a video on upgrading the star levels from this YouTuber, you probably cannot see that because it's taken down, which is really weird, of course. And if you can actually pause it in the right second when he's upgrading all the cards to get the star levels, you can actually see this screenshot in the right second. Now of course you can't just go through and check that video because it's taken down, but here we have the photo of the card itself. Now this looks pretty weird because it's nowhere as to how Clash Royale would build cards. It's pretty weird. It's somewhat like a cartoonish game, but I'm quite sure it's not gonna be Clash Royale's new card. But the weird thing is they have taken down the video, so that's pretty weird. But if you didn't check Twitter yet already, from Supercell itself, they actually posted a screenshot or the snippets of the new card that's going to come in, and you can actually see this image right here. It looks like a bear. It looks like something, some animal which is going to go through and bang everyone that's going to come in. We don't know as to what it is, but then the keyword is given for sure. It is going to ram through all the stuff. So it is going to go in and brutally smash anyone who's going to come in front, which is really awesome. So this is the final, and I hope so, this is going to be the card which is going to come out in Clash Royale. We don't know if this is going to be the final part of it, but then they actually did post it on Twitter, which definitely does make sense that they're going to get this card out this week, because up in YouTube they did say that. Now this is the card. We don't know what the card is going to be. We don't know what elixir it is, what rarity it is, but we're hoping it's going to be a legendary card because that's something we obviously want, but we don't know for now. But if you want to see the next thing that's gonna come in Clash Royale, which is apart from the new card, it is the new emote from the Ghost. So Ghost definitely got some new emotes from that legendary trophy, so that is something we know already. But then you can actually see these 4 new emotes in Clash Royale that's gonna come into Clash Royale, which is really awesome. These 4 emotes are pretty dope. That was leaked pretty much a week ago from now, and that was pretty awesome. So we can definitely expect this to come up in the December update this week, hopefully, because they are claiming that they're going to put out a December update with the new card, and in that way they can actually put in the new emotes as well. So make sure you're keeping these 250 gems for this emote, which is pretty awesome. And here is the video of all these emotes which are going to be coming in. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till the very end, you guys. Hopefully enjoyed. Make sure you click on the notification if you haven't done that already. And thank you so much for watching till the very end. I'm Ayrus, and I'll be seeing you next time on the land. Goodbye.